Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free video audit of the website Yamamoto. So I'm on a home page. The first thing I noticed is that your domain name is not the same as your logo, so make sure to keep the names consistent. Also optimize the sliding images to add short tagline to explain what's in each image, and obviously add call to action such as shop now, click here to prompt people to click and shop your products. I love the consistent product color, so this is really good. It suits your branding. I love the featured products. I love that you're consistent with your branding as well, which is excellent. You've got professional email address, and the contact us page looks really good. The collection page is very user friendly. You've got site navigation, you've got short description. The products are displayed above the fold, which is excellent. Very user friendly and very optimized for conversion, which is excellent. Product page is also optimized for the conversion, so add to cart, buy it now buttons are displayed above the fold. Make sure that they are displayed in the same language, otherwise it can feel a little bit confusing. However, you've got unique product descriptions, reviews related to products as well, so this is really nice. When I clicked on the blog, it took me to the home page, so make sure to check any of those links that they are working and they are updated. Also remember to open those social media links in new tabs so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. If you like this review, please make sure to leave a positive feedback on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you'd like to speak with Shopify expert, if you would have any questions about SEO or conversion rate, book a free chat. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.